Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, click Enter. And right here at the top you need to click at the Add Device. Then select Bluetooth. And after that, open the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another device, it will enter to prank mode automatically, and you will see it at the device list. But we can also enter to prank mode manually. At the back side of the charging case, right here we have a connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light inside the charging case, right here we have this LED light, start flashing. So let's check it. Here we go. And now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!